Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. We're at Rustoberfest, which is in New Florence, Missouri. Here you can see we've got a cool one. It's a 1959 Pontiac Star Chief, and it's a four-door, but wow, it's a cool car. That obviously, maybe not so obvious, is not the original interior. This is the Pontiac. In '59, Pontiac came out with a wide track, so it was a wider bodied vehicle, and this is the Star Chief, and you can see those are the backup lights. Those are cat ear is what they call them. You can also see the fuel door in the back where the Pontiac script, the AC, that's the fuel door. You can see dual exhaust. So really cool car. Unfortunately, the owner was not around, so I could not put a mic on him, but I did not want to pass up the opportunity to shoot this car. Just a cool car, and the kind of stuff you see at Rustoberfest. Although this car, it doesn't have rust on it, you see a lot of unique vehicles, and check out that chrome on the fenders. So hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to jump in and do a quick one.